Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make egg sandwich simple step by step. Start by gathering your ingredients and preheating a non-stick pan to medium heat. Crack and beat 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. Butter your bread lightly while the eggs rest. Cook the eggs to your preferred doneness, toast the bread if you like, and assemble the sandwich immediately for best texture and warmth. In this video, I will show how to make egg sandwich simple step by step. Whisk 2 eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper until slightly frothy for light texture. Melt butter in a pan, then pour the eggs in and either scramble gently or let them set for a fried style. If you want fluffy top, cover the pan for 30 to 60 seconds, then remove and slide the eggs onto your warm bread when done. In this video, I will show how to make egg sandwich simple step by step. Place the cooked eggs on buttered or mayo-spread bread, then add a slice of cheese or fresh greens for brightness. Try a dash of hot sauce or a few herbs if you prefer a bolder flavor. Press the sandwich gently for a few seconds so the cheese melts slightly and the layers stick together, then slice and enjoy right away for the best taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.